Hi there! Today we'll show you how you can make your Elink post SEO friendly or private. Once you're signed into Elink, go to your post section. Here you can click on Create New Post or click on an Elink that's in draft state. You'll land on the first tab of Elink's editor where you can add web links to build out the body of your content. For this video, we're going to head straight over to the Settings section on the final tab of Elink's editor. You can adjust your theme colors and fonts, but for now, let's head straight over to the SEO private section. By default, you'll see the SEO settings are automatically on. This means that Elink's platform will assign the SEO title, description, and keywords automatically. Some of our users like to have control over their own SEO settings, and if you'd like your Elink post to rank in Google for particular keywords, click on Custom. Here you can adjust your title, description, and keywords. If you'd like to make your content private and only accessible through a shared link, click on the Private button. Search engines will not be able to crawl these private content pages. We recommend that you adjust your SEO and private settings correctly before publishing your Elink. To learn more about Elink.io, go to our Elink Academy and watch our other videos. And start bookmarking and creating content with web links in minutes.